Welcome back to Aulani. I'm super excited to have you back with us to check out the Make Your Own Ears event. We're going to show you where this premium activity is located, how to register the day before, what to expect, and what the final product could look like. I'm also going to take you on a floating tour of the lazy river at night. It's so beautiful, not at all crowded, and definitely one of my favorite, though somewhat under the radar experiences when the weather is warm out, like this particular day in mid-December. Come along, let's go make some ears. So here at the Pauhana Community Hall, there's a Luana Lounge next door too, which is a really nice place to go to be able to freshen up and shower if you've checked out and you want to be able to dry your swimsuit. There's a swimsuit dryer in there and a shower before you catch your flight home. But I'm here for the Pauhana Community Room because I need to make a reservation for the Make Your Own Mini or Mickey Ears tomorrow. You've got to do this one day in advance, so this is really important. As soon as you check in, you don't want to come down to the Pauhana Community Hall to make sure that you can get a reservation. When you do so, you're going to be paying your deposit or paying for the activity because it is a premium activity, and then you'll also be choosing your ears. So there are some LED light up options, flowers, different things that you can use to decorate it. So you'll be doing all of that at this time. So go ahead and take a look to see what's on offer, check out the prices, and there's also a special set of colored LED lights for Disney Vacation Club members as well. So we'll take a look at those too. It's really nice because there are so many perks to being a DVC member. Okay, so let's go take a look. Hi! So what is the discount for
10%
the...
off.
10%? Oh, okay, that's awesome.
Yeah.
So many perks to being a DVC member.
Is this your home resort?
It is.
Oh, nice. Awesome. So with your DVC discount, it'll be $104.60 for the 3 years.
Okay. The Pauhana Room is also an excellent area to come to do different activities. There's some coloring sheets and a reed scavenger hunt and some drawing paper and pencils. So we'll go ahead and choose our items for our ears. This is where the activity will be held tomorrow. Okay, so what is the...
So you're going to select the ear color that you like. Since you did the light ups, you have the top 3 options, and then you'll pick 5 items total from the board. Any combination of the 5 is fine. If you change your mind during the program, we can always swap it out for you. And then the leaves that you see and even the snowflakes on there are included in your programming.
Okay, thank you very much. So I think because of the time of year, there's a lot of colors of headbands that are unavailable, which is really sad because they're out of the special blue DVC only ears. And the other one I would have got would be these pink and white, pink ones with white lights. And of course, they're out of those too. So I think we're gonna go with the silver with white lights. Limited production Kamaka Disney Stitch ukuleles and the Aulani edition. They also sell standard Kamaka ukuleles. This would be a nice souvenir to take home. So 3 additional extra items. They're $5 each?
Yeah, so you get $5 and you get, well, $6 and you get the 5 items.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. And now we decided to come back to Ulu Cafe to pick up a couple of apples to try for dessert this evening. We're gonna head up to the room, get some dinner, and then get ready for the Ears event tomorrow. The apples are really good. I'll spare you the mess of looking at them all cut up. But the white chocolate, the blue one, snowflake frozen apple, did have a white chocolate shell and the caramel. The Granny Smith apples in both were very tart and had a nice contrast to the sweetness. The white chocolate did taste a little waxy and a little artificial. I did prefer the mini apple, which is just your traditional chocolate and caramel. So you'll have to check them out and try them for yourself and see which one you love. So I won't show you all of the takes, but this is actually my 3rd try with the Keurig. I haven't really had a lot of experience using one. We have an espresso at home. I should have just used the Joffrey's coffee in the regular drip coffee machine, but we did have some good coffee, and of course we made mimosas. So we're heading down to the pool to enjoy the lazy river and everything down there and to do our ears activity. But first I just wanted to show you all my new hat. I completely love this one. Aloha with, I think it's a pool kini in the middle. It's a trucker style, which is my favorite type of hat. Super comfortable. This is by Masa Artistry, which is a really awesome local brand that makes really cool stickers, hats, and t-shirts. So be sure to check them out. Be sure to leave a link to the site where you can buy your own merchandise in the comments below. So we headed over to the Pauhana Room for the program location check-in. We got there about 10 minutes before our requested time and they directed us to our table. So as soon as we sat down, we got started by taking a look at the ears that we chose and the light colors. They also had little packages with our names on it that had our items that we chose the day before. They supplied us with these leaves complimentary, and they provided these glue guns. So the glue guns, of course, are really hot. They're hot glue guns. I'm not really used to using them, so I had to be a little careful. So just if you're not really used to doing a lot of arts and crafts, I would just be really careful with that because you could burn yourself. But overall, it was pretty easy to do. Everything stuck really well. They're very durable. It was a lot of fun. All of the cast members at the Pahana Room were so nice. They were so helpful. They gave us some ideas on how to place the flowers, some ideas on how we could even do some of the flowers facing forward and then some facing backwards so that we'd have two different looks in one. So we really loved being able to have them along to help us as we designed our ears. Okay, so these are the items that I chose for my ears, and of course I got the special blue Disney Vacation Club or DVC color. They were out initially, but it was really nice to see that they got a restock and made it available to us this morning. So I've got my leaves, which are a complimentary thing that they give you, and then I got my 5 items, and for $6 more you can get 5 additional items. So I did get 5 additional items. And this is what I chose to kind of put it all together. I did get the coral bowl, but we'll see. I think I might be switching some things up, which is kind of nice to know that you're not stuck with what you choose the day before. And if you want to, you always have the ability to change it out for something that you really love. So let's see what we make of this. So here's the finished product of our ears activity. I was here with 3 friends, and this is all of our individual creations, all very unique and different, as you can see, utilizing different color schemes. I'd love to know which set of ears is your favorite, number 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let us know in the comments below. So these are the ears that I made for the Make Your Own Ears activity. It was a lot of fun. I got, again, the blue Disney Vacation Club ears and additional items. The flowers, it's kind of like a headpiece, but it was a lot of fun. I'm not super creative, but anyway, it was super fun. So I'm gonna wear these around, and it'll be fun when it's at night. I'm planning to wear these to Disneyland and Disney World and Tokyo Disney, which we'll be going to soon as well. It's really fun because they're lit up. Love wearing these lit up ears at night, floating down the lazy river. We're so glad that you came along with us today as we did our very own ears at the Make Your Own Ears event. We had so much fun wearing them around the resort, and we're super excited to wear them around the parks. If you love Aulani and all things Hawaii, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back soon because we'll be doing so much more with this Aulani series. We'll be showing you some great things to eat around the resort, on the resort itself, and we'll be taking you through some of the stores to look at the different merchandise items here, as well as telling you about a very special giveaway that we have coming up. New to Aulani or Hawaii in general, but wanting a really fun, relaxing time with the perfect place to stay and little local tips to enhance your vacation? Let me know in the comments and we'll take all of that stress away and book an amazing vacation for you. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications and come back for more soon. As always, sending you sunshine and aloha from the happiest place here on Oahu, Disney Aulani.